Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Pattaya. We are checked into a unit here at the Edge Central Pattaya, and these are cute little apartments. So let's take a look here. We're gonna be here for a few weeks, and it has a lot of really cool bonuses. The room is great, but we really got this place for the pool, which I'll show you later. But let's take a look at the room. First of all, there is a kitchen, which is really nice. You get the kitchen, plus you get your washer as well. So we can do our laundry here, which is great. It's always nice to be able to wash things. And there's usually it's just a washer. Sometimes you get a washer dryer, but for the most part it's usually just a washer, and that's what this one is. You have a microwave, which is great, and then you also have a little hob here, 2 burners on the stove, a kettle, and then we've got some pots and pans, plates, cups, all that kind of good stuff up in the cupboard there. Also rice cooker, very important, coffee machine, and a toaster, which is great. Nice fridge here. We'll have to buy a few things across the street at the grocery store and bring them over for food, but really a nice kitchen area. The other thing that I really like, and I've noticed a lot of times you don't get a lot of space to store, like cupboard space to actually store your groceries and stuff. You got your broom in here, but look at all this room here, plus all of this room. And then this is for your shoes and slippers here. You'll see these little, when you see these little slanted shelves, that's usually for slippers and your shoes. And here is the bathroom, your commode, and you got your sink. And just behind the door here, you'll see the shower. And that looks pretty good. And you get some light in with that frosted glass from the other side. You get the rain shower and the handheld. So it's pretty good. I like it. All right, so let's go into the bedroom portion. And I mean, these are meant for, you know, vacation-y, kind of shorter stays. If you're just one person, I think this would be extremely ideal. For a longer stay, 2 people would be a little bit harder, just because the only division between the bedroom portion and this portion is just this glass door. And there's not really like a separate living area. It's just all in here. So you do have nightstands and electrical outlets at the nightstands, which is great. This is it looks to be a queen bed instead of a king. So that's something also to keep note of. And then we've got a curtain here for our closet. Got a second duvet up there. And they even have your little, so they do get a lot of people here that just stay short term. I'm not sure that a lot of people live here, if any. Nice looking TV and more storage underneath there as well. So that's gonna be great. Now we tested the internet service, and it is so fast, you guys. Probably the fastest I think we've ever had since we left home, because we had fiber optic at home. So this is really nice. It is super fast. I'm gonna be uploading videos in like 2 seconds. All right, on this side, got another little nightstand here, but I do like that there's a desk with a chair in here, which I think is really great. You've got some drawers here as well to store some things. I like that they've done these little touches that kind of make you feel more like it's more homey than not. And then a sitting area here. So kind of a chaise, but we can both sit here and use this and the other tray as tables if we want to sit here and enjoy some food. And then when you wash your stuff, you're going to want to dry it. So you dry it on this rack here. Just put it right by the window because you get the great sun coming in. It'll be easy to dry those. And then of course there is air con in here, and it actually feels really good, nice and cool. So this is a really great space. I think we're gonna have a good time here, but I want to take you to go check out the most beautiful feature of this condo building. All right, so there's a laundry room. There's 2 washers, 1 dryer, and you can also get reverse osmosis water right here, so that's pretty good. Little wash bin here. Let's go take a look at the fitness room. It looks pretty good too.